Piranha is known as man-eating fish in Mandarin. It's got a bit of a reputation. Well, these fish have been described as the most ferocious freshwater fish in the world. They take chunks out of their prey with their razor-sharp teeth and don't even swallow. Don't mess with them.
I set sail to the Amazon rivers in South America in search of the piranhas, man-eating fish. The Amazon rainforest in Brazil is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers. In the vast Amazon rivers, there's much more than just piranhas. I made a stop by the monkey forest, 10 minutes from my eco lodge.
To be by herself majority of the time.
How old is she?
She is about 20 years old. They can live over 45. Yeah.
The monkey forest is a center for rehabilitation of wild monkeys, which have been confiscated from illegal commerce. The monkeys are not caged and are free to roam and live when they are ready. Twice a day, the animals receive supplements of their natural diet, ensuring that they are being fed the necessary nutrients. Some species of these monkeys are hunted by humans, often for illegal pet trade. There are certainly differing views on such tourist activities.
There she goes.
Close contacts with humans are often frowned upon by animal activists. Others feel that such animal conservation efforts create awareness and has educational value. The choice is yours, to support or not to support. After dinner, I joined a night cruise along the Amazon rivers in search of the caimans. Caimans are relatives of the crocodiles and alligators. They are smaller in size and prey mostly on fish. An easy way to spot them is to shine a spotlight along the coast. The reflection from the eyes are a clear indication of their presence. My guide attempted to catch one, but we lost it before we could get close enough. There was a commotion when we returned. It seems that the other group has better luck. They caught a live baby caiman. The guide gave a crash course on the interesting facts of the reptile in Portuguese.
Don't lose it because they bite.
Oh,
They're gonna
video photo.
Hold it here. Wow.
not strong, not strong.
Fuerte,
Not strong because otherwise you're gonna kill it.
Okay.
Video, photo.
Dale, dale.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you very much. It's time to say goodnight to the baby caiman. The next day, we had lunch on a floating restaurant. It's buffet style, and while having lunch, we had the strongest rainfall in the entire trip. After the rain had stopped, I attempted to catch a piranha from the boardwalk at the Amazon rivers. I had no luck, but my guide caught a catfish. Oh, that's a piranha. His friend had a red piranha. Catfish and piranha.
Piranha cashew.
Piranha cashew.
Yeah.
This way.
Okay.
And then another white piranha.
The white piranha.
Me having no luck at the shore, I went with a group of 3 others into deeper waters. We spotted an adult caiman lurking close by.
I'd hate to be in that mouth, limb or hand or arm, leg or something.
Fred. His name is Fred. Freddy Revenge. You see here.
Fred has a strange glance. He glared at me. Maybe he's the father of the baby caiman that I helped yesterday.
It's gone. So it fell out or?
Soon my guide caught something. Oh, you got it.
This is one.
Whoa.
This is a small one.
Is this a piranha?
This is a piranha.
Yeah.
Check it out. This is the.
Wow.
Let me see the color. This is called the Piranha paca.
Right.
We have an animal called paca, a rodent, and he's spotted like this piranha. So they give the name of the piranha, Piranha paca.
Is it still alive?
It's alive.
Could I hold it?
Yes, why not?
Oh.
Its teeth
Right.
hide below of the lip. You see?
Mm.
Look,
Oh my gosh.
paper
Oh my
punch.
gosh, it's like a.
Razor, very
Yeah.
sharp. It could be very big or small.
Oof.
You want to touch him? Just touch
Yeah,
him.
just touch. Okay, it's
He
very
bites.
smooth, very smooth.
Yeah, very smooth. You want to touch?
No.
Hold it.
You hold it like this. Don't make it bite you, right? Yeah.
Ouch. The fins were quite sharp. My guide decided to reward the caiman, who has been waiting very patiently.
This is his best menu. We call him Bolden. Speed. Speed up. Speedy Gonzales. That's it.
That's it.
Ooh, did you see those teeth?
This is the caiman show. He got- Now you will see how he eats. He
Yeah.
got a big fish. He's going between the tree over here. His mouth.
There we go.
The caiman needs to swallow the fish whole with his head above the water so as not to take in too much of the water.
Yeah.
It swam away satisfied. Back in the city, I came upon a restaurant that served an interesting dish. They have a lot of selection on their menu. Piranha soup, that's the one I'm looking for. With a creamy tomato base, with a load of spices, small chunks of piranha meat, it is said to enhance vitality and is a hearty starter to a meal. A small piece of piranha meat, which is a man eating fish and man eating fish. In my next video, I will explore some beautiful and interesting sights in Rio de Janeiro.